How to convert a video from MKV to MP4 in OBS Studio. Hello everyone, I am Guilherme from JMV Technology, and today I am here to show you a very simple process that can help you when you need to convert a video to MP4. On our channel, we also have other ways to convert videos. We will leave in our card our tutorial on how to convert the same MKV video format to MP4, but with VLC. To learn about our on-demand plans, which also convert your videos and offer you various functionalities, just access our QR code. If you want to learn more about the world of streamings, we can help you. Just access our free courses on our platform. We will leave the link in our description. Now let's open OBS Studio. Let's go to the File option in the top menu and then to Convert Recordings. We'll click on the button with three dots and select the video. We can see that here it shows the video in MKV, and in the destination file section it already shows that it will be in MP4. After that, just click on Convert. When accessing the folder, we can see that it sent the video already converted to MP4 to the same location where the MKV video was. A simple process that can help you a lot. So that's it. If you liked it, leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media.